In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Otter.AI. By the end, your Zoom meetings will be set up to work with Otter so you can capture live notes and transcripts with almost no effort. This is quick, clear, and only takes a couple of minutes. First, head to the Otter website and make sure you're signed in. Use a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. If you work in multiple Otter workspaces, double check that you're in the one where you want the integration enabled. Being in the correct workspace matters because the connection you create will apply there. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and find the Apps section. This is where Otter collects all available integrations. Click Apps, then locate Zoom in the list and select Add next to it. Choosing Add starts the connection flow and opens a secure window from Zoom asking you to sign in and confirm access. Now, sign into your Zoom account using your normal method, email and password, single sign-on, or whatever your organization uses. After you sign in, Zoom will show a permission screen explaining what the Otter integration can do. Read through the details so you understand what you're approving. When you're ready, click Allow. This grants Otter the permissions it needs to connect with your Zoom meetings and recordings. If you're on a company-managed Zoom account and see a message that approval is required, your Zoom administrator may need to enable the app for your organization. After you click Allow, the connection completes and you'll be returned to Otter with Zoom listed as connected. From here on, Otter can work alongside your Zoom meetings based on your settings, helping with live notes or pulling in recordings for transcription. If you don't immediately see anything change, that's normal. Otter will spring into action when you have a meeting that matches your